Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the unboxing in Java. So let us start. I first share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here I use a simple notepad to type our Java program and our definition. So write a program to use of that is a integer wrapper class and that is a unboxing. So previous my video lecture I take as a auto boxing and here unboxing. Yes, that is a automatic box means convert. So first that is a we can convert integer to that equivalent uh, wrapper class, and here that is a wrapper integer class to convert into equivalent that integer data type. So yes, here that remaining n, so that is a integer. Yes, now perfect. And uh, so first I give the definition what is a unboxing. So that is a automatic conversion of wrapper type into its corresponding primitive data types. It's known as unboxing. So that is a meaning of unboxing. So let us I give one example simple so we can start. Yes, so public and class, and we can say that wrapper and then equivalent integer. So here we can integer to that integer class convert into normal integer data type int. Yes, so wrap underscore int, and then opening closing brace, and that our public static void main, that is our main method, and string args, that is one argument we have to pass, and opening closing brace. So first, yes, we have to declare that is a integer x, that is, and allocate the memory, and that constructor, yes, we have to pass like a 5 or any value. And then yes, we can first explicit conversation. So we can take like a variable and assign to x, and that x is a that is class object of wrapper integer. So we can use as int value, that is a method, and that we have to use. So that x is convert to integer simple normal. So it is a, we can say that explicit type conversion. So int to wrapper integer class to simple integer primitive data type. So that is explicit type conversion. And now what to do? So here we can like be a simple integer variable and directly assign to x. So that is a implicit type conversion. So yes, and implicit, and or you can say that that is a unboxing. So that is a known as unboxing. So uh, wrapper that x object is automatically convert in the int value. So by default, that compiler use as int value internal, and here we can specify to ourselves. So that is a explicit, and here automatically compiler use this wrapper class int value internal. So that is a explicit, or we can say that unboxing. So yes, that finish, and now we can print. Yes, that is variable. So very simple example I take for you, so you can understand what is a in previous I can take auto boxing and here unboxing. So auto boxing that we can like we can convert to wrapper integer class to equivalent that primitive data type, and here in reverse order means integer wrapper class that convert into primitive data type. So that is an unboxing. Now I think you have to understand. So yes, that we can some message. So we can say that x value is, and that we have to print. Yes, that is a x. And now I uh, copy this line and also print, that is our uh, value of a, and then b. So all are I think same because we have just convert. So now we can save, and that is a, we can say that wrapper. Yes, that already that one program is there. So yes, wrapper int, that our file name, but here already that file is there. So what to do? So yes, I remove that underscore, and that we have to Java. Yes, wrap int. So that is our file name. So I remove here because that is a rules. Class name must be the file name of Java. So Alt F, I again save because we have to change, and wrap int, that is our class name. I minimize this screen and go to means command prompt, dos prompt, you can say that, and that I open. And here first cd slash, so all come out directories, and f colon change the drive, and Java Pro is our file folder that we have to store our file, and Java path is our batch file name. So set the JDK path and class path. So we can compile. Yes, wrap int dot Java, and yes, that wrap. Yes, so that is a wrap. Yes, yes. Now that perfectly. So you can look now some typing mistakes. So now yes, that is a wrap int. Now that is our class file name. So JDK Java C is a compiler and Java is a application launcher. So you can look all that. Yes, our message is XX, so we can change, but there is a message, but that is we can also change. So yes, I just copy and paste. So be careful. Here A value and here is a B value, but all are same. Yes, let us I compile. So we can change. So first save and then compile again. So yes, I show you a class file name. So you can look here, that is wrap int, that class file is created by JVM Java Virtual Machine, and CLS clear the screen. Again, I compile. First we can compile and then run. So yes, up and down arrow key to see your previous all command. So yes, X, that phi AB, that is also phi. So yes, very simple way I can elaborate what is a unboxing. So that is a we can automatically corresponding of wrapper type, its corresponding primitive types convert. So here integer wrapper class converting simple integer data type, primitive data type. So that is a int value. This statement internal compiler automatically take. So I think you have to understand. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.